Number 1. 1983 Ford F150, price $8,500. With only 64,000 miles on the odometer, this classic truck has been well maintained and upgraded with several new parts, ensuring reliability and great value for any enthusiast or daily driver. Featuring its original red paint and a matching red interior, this truck retains its classic charm while benefiting from key upgrades. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Recent work includes a new carpet, a newly installed heater core that ensures the heating system functions well, and a fresh set of tires and rims. Additionally, the truck has received a new fuel pump, a new thermostat along with a complete coolant flush, and a newly installed carburetor. To enhance performance, all spark plugs have been replaced, a recent oil change has been performed, and a new exhaust system has been fitted. Number 2. 1985 GMC S15, price $6,000, with only 45,000 original miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both finished in blue, giving it a cohesive and classic look. This truck is equipped with a V6 engine paired with a 5-speed transmission and has been upgraded with a new Weber carburetor and a fresh tune-up. A new lowering kit enhances its stance, complemented by Budnik billet wheels and new tires. The interior has been refreshed with new carpet, a new headliner, and updated weather stripping. Originally running on propane since new, it has been preserved with its original miles, maintaining a straight body and a desirable patina paint finish. As a well-kept and stylish mini truck, it remains a rare find. The current owner, only the second since new, holds a clean title in hand. Number 3. 1973 Dodge D150, price $5,500. With 80,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic 3-speed transmission and is powered by a 318 small block engine. The truck has been lowered properly, ensuring both aesthetics and drivability. The exterior is finished in off-white, complementing its well-preserved interior. It runs on gasoline and has been upgraded with several engine enhancements, including an Edelbrock carburetor, an Edelbrock intake, and an HEI ignition system. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, a new fuel filter, and new spark plugs. Additionally, a custom-built gas tank has been installed at the rear. This Dodge D150 is entirely rust-free and holds a clean title. While the air conditioning system is present in AC mode, it still requires the necessary components to be fully operational. The truck currently sits on older tires, which will need to be replaced for everyday use. Number 4. 1985 Toyota Regular Cab, price $9,800. It has traveled 183,000 miles and features a manual transmission. The exterior is finished in red, complemented by a tan interior. Powered by a high-performance Stage 2.522 or engine built by Putney's Custom Machine in 2015, the truck has only 11,000 miles on the engine. The transmission was rebuilt by Marlin Crawler in 2011 and has 35,000 miles on it. The truck is in excellent condition and is ready to be driven anywhere. Nearly every major component has been replaced or upgraded while maintaining the stock design, including the brake system, U-joints, radiator, and more. All emissions components were removed before the new engine was installed, with block plates fitted where necessary. It comes with a complete log of service records detailing dates, mileage, and parts used. The vehicle holds a clean title and has never been involved in any accidents. Number 5. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, with 89,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in white, maintaining a timeless and rugged look. Powered by a 350 small block engine, this truck runs well and has recently undergone a carburetor tune-up, wire replacement, and an oil change. It also comes with a brand new battery and starter, ensuring dependable performance. The vehicle has a clean title, and while there is minimal rust, some dents, and signs of wear and tear are present, adding to its character. Owned for 10 years, this C10 has proven to be a highly reliable truck, making it a great choice for enthusiasts looking for a classic ride with solid performance. Number 6. 1988 Dodge D150, price $6,500, equipped with a 5.9L 360 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. With only 23,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in good running and driving condition. The truck stands out with its bold orange exterior, which is complemented by an orange interior, giving it a distinctive and eye-catching appearance. It has been well maintained, featuring a fairly new engine, new tires, a new ignition cylinder lock with 2 keys, a new starter, and numerous other recently replaced components. While the vehicle does not come with a title, it is currently registered in Connecticut. Number 7. 1978 Ford F250, price $4,000, featuring an automatic transmission and a bold orange exterior paired with a brown interior. Powered by a 351M/400 engine and a C6 automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck is equipped with dual gas tanks, a utility box, and a long bed, making it both practical and reliable. Additionally, it has Bluetooth-enabled speakers for modern convenience. The truck starts up immediately and is in good condition considering its age. However, it does have some steering wander and minimal wear. The tires still have good tread but show signs of dry rot. One minor issue is that the driver's side interior door panel is missing. Despite these small imperfections, the truck remains a solid and functional classic. Number 8. 1977 Ford F150, price $8,500, with 260,000 miles, features a gray exterior and interior, powered by a strong 300 CI 4.9-liter inline-6 engine and an automatic transmission. It runs and drives exceptionally well, maintaining its classic appeal while offering reliable performance. The truck has undergone extensive upgrades, including a fully refreshed interior with new upholstery, carpet, Killmat soundproofing, and an AM/FM Bluetooth radio with 6-inch door speakers. The exterior features new halo LED headlights, taillight assemblies, windshield, wipers, and seals. Mechanically, it boasts a new battery, cherry bomb-style exhaust, and newer Cooper Cobra tires on mag-style rims. A fresh spray-on bed liner adds durability, making this F-150 a well-maintained and road-ready classic. Number 9. 1991 Ford F250, price $3,500. It has 126,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 7.5 L460 CI engine. With low mileage and perfect compression, it runs and drives great. It has new tires, a Bluetooth stereo, a replaced front gas tank, and new front and rear fuel pumps. The factory catalytic converter and hoses are still intact. While everything functions well, the horn and parking brake don't work, and the driver's side door lock is frozen. The headliner is sagging, the gauge cluster has spider web cracks but remains readable, and there's a large dent on the driver's side bed. Number 10. 1969 Ford F150, price $4,000. Features a 360 FA engine with a 3-speed manual transmission and has 70,000 miles. Finished in its original Wimbledon white with a blue interior, it runs on gasoline and remains a reliable classic. It starts every time and runs strong. The steering column and shift linkage have been rebuilt with new components, ensuring smooth shifting. The manual brakes function properly, and the cab corners are rust-free. The bed is solid with a Rhino liner, and all Ranger trim is complete. Repainted in 2003, it comes with a clean title. Issues include rust along the roof strip rails, which may require patch panels or a roof skin replacement. The hood also has rust but is an easy swap. The fuel gauge is non-functional and hasn't been inspected.